Amazon deals right now for camping gear. Buckle up, we're gonna go quick. Let's start off with this Coleman Stove, 107 bucks. I would opt for the tan one for 97. I do like this Pocket Rocket for $79, regularly $100. Some campgrounds and RV parks are straying away from fire pits, so these propane fire pits are becoming more popular. Headlamps are a dime a dozen, but this is a good deal here. These are rechargeable. Tactical flashlights are also all over the place. $7 isn't bad for this one. I really like these solar powered lanterns, but Lowe's has some cheaper. Can't go wrong with the weather radio. That one's solar powered too. I know we're going through a lot of stuff, but I want you to see these deals.
A lot of stuff.
So let's catch our breath and keep going. While you're here, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. All right, tactical gear, these survival kits. This one seems okay for $40, but if I was buying one, I would get this one. It seems higher quality. I do like this one here with the hand tools. I think that's kind of neat. And then moving along, can't go wrong with the solar powered. You can find these everywhere, but this is not a bad deal. All right, where are we going to sleep when we go camping? This Coleman tent is pretty good at $135. We do have this smaller tent for 50% off. Sleeping bags, might need a sleeping bag. I've never met anyone that said that they were a burrito for a bear in a sleeping bag, but who knows. This is another good price on a sleeping bag here. Some people prefer sleeping mats, so here we have a couple that are priced fairly decent. Air mattresses. I do not like air mattresses. I've tried air mattresses in the past. None of them ever last. So we're looking at cots. I will tell you, never put an air mattress on a cot or you're going to meet the ground really fast. Camping blankets. It's summertime, but fall campers, late season campers do like getting blankets. Let's get to solar power. Plenty of solar panels here. I do like these combo kits that come with a little power pack and a solar panel. Prices really aren't bad for these, but keep in mind when you're buying solar that you won't be able to use all of your appliances on them.